Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can transfer a domain to Cloudflare. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So after you log into your Cloudflare account, what you will have to do is you will add a site or onboard a domain and just wait for it to load basically. And then you will just have to look for something like transfer a domain. So it should be right here. And then what you will have to do is you will enter your domain name and follow the prompts, and after that you will just have to unlock your domain and you at your current registrar and get the authorization or EPP code, and then enter the EPP code in Cloudflare to initiate the transfer. And the next you will just have to select your Cloudflare plan and confirm the billing, of course, and finally wait for the transfer to be completed. It can take up about 5 to 7 days. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.